If any newbies out there, you might be wondering, should you charge for your very first client, whether you've just been certified yesterday, you're brand new, you're not too confident, you really don't maybe even know what you should be doing yet. Should you charge from your first client? The answer is always absolutely yes. Whether you're really confident or not, something happens that's really amazing when it comes to paid clients is the better so if you're brand new to hypnosis, whether you've just been certified yesterday or just last week, and you're wondering, should you be charging for your very first client, even if you're not that confident yet, the answer is always yes. Something works in your favor when you start charging a client straight away. There's something known as skin in the game. If you go out and start giving away free sessions, there's no skin in the game. There's nothing at any loss for your clients, whether it works or not. And what happens is when you start asking for free clients, these actually work out to be the worst clients to work with because they just don't care. They'll be the most resistance. They'll have the most excuses. They won't really play along, so to speak. You definitely want to get out there and start getting paid clients. The better the pay from the client, the easier it is to work for them. How does that work? Well, if your client has skin in the game, means they're motivated, means they're ready to change. They've maybe put all their eggs in one basket and they're ready for this. That's a great thing to therapeutically motivate them to get them to that breakthrough. So if you want to know the easiest clients to work with, the ones with the least amount of resistance, the ones that'll be so simple, even if you use just the most basic, boring techniques that you know, and it will work probably 9 times out of 10, make sure your client's paying you. Now, I won't get into what you should be charging, what your economics of the business should be, what you want to be earning through month. We've gone through that in other videos, and I might talk about that at a later stage. But for now, make your clients easier, charge them. If you want to make your clients harder to work with, give it away for free. This whole idea after someone gets certified to have to go get an X amount of clients for free to get certified is just ridiculous. I mean, the course that you went to, you paid. You didn't get it for free. Every strategy you've learned, you had to pay for. Every other subsequent course that you've been on, you had to pay. Your trainers and mentors charged you. So why wouldn't you charge a client? Why wouldn't you charge someone who wants to have a breakthrough? If you go out and find free clients, you can almost imagine what those people are going to be like. Why would you put yourself through that stress? It's sometimes stressful enough to do hypnosis until you get really confident. Why would you add that another layer of stress on top of that? Start charging for your clients. I tell all my students in ACH, whether if you're learning this for the first time, start charging straight away. Get out there, start charging X amount of dollars. I will say charge $1,500 plus per client, and you'll get very easy clients to work with. Now, the reason I didn't want to say it, because it sometimes scares people off and it has to be context-based. But even let's look at low-cost clients. Free clients are the worst. $1,500 and above, just based on business economics, they're the best clients. Anything above that, they get better and better and better. $100 clients are pretty much just as bad as free clients. 150, just as bad. 200, up around like the 500 to 750, you start getting okay clients. But if I'm brand new to hypnosis, probably got a lot of bills because my courses were so expensive and they charge a hell of a lot for those traditional trainings, I need to pay my bills. But if I go out there and expect I'm just going to do 30 free sessions to build my confidence, you will not build confidence. You'll build anxiety, you'll build fear, and it simply won't work. Why put yourself through that? If you put $1,500 on the table and your client says, yes, I'll pay that, something in you will create the breakthrough. All of those lessons you'll remember. All of that anxiety still might be there, but once you get into it, you start to calm down. But you'll find that, hey, this is easier than what it was in my training. It's a lot harder to do role plays on your training because they're just following along and you're following along. But when it comes to someone therapeutically and you're using your techniques and your strategy, there's money on the table. They have no reason to follow along. They're in it to win it. They're in it because they've got skin in the game, and they'll be the easiest clients to work with, guys. So hard clients, $0, $1,500, fantastic clients. And these are the ones that will send you all the referrals as well. So yes, that was a long-winded way for me to say, yes, start charging straight away. Unless you're happy to building anxiety and fear in yourself, go out and do all the free sessions you want. I guarantee in 30, 60, 90 days, you'll be looking for another full-time job because you'll say, this is too hard. It's not because you don't know what to do. It's because you went out there and found all the wrong clients, and clients that don't pay are all the wrong clients for you guys. All right. See you in the next video.